Welcome back. We are covering number 17 of the new series, Blockchain, Crypto, and DeFi at Work. Keep or get a job the next 20 years. This is brand new emerging technology. This was like when the internet was first invented. I think you can see video clips of, the talking heads on TV, Katie Couric. What is the internet? What is the World Wide Web, right? And here we are using it every day, right? We're talking to each other, regularly using the internet. You're listening to this using the internet. This is common technology. We're at that critical point with cryptocurrency, blockchain, and DeFi as well. And I've covered, in the last 3 videos, what the blockchain, crypto, and DeFi are. What I'm doing is covering some basic information for you before we, get into how this could potentially leverage. You can leverage this at work. So again, this is a safe place for you to just kind of come, listen, figure out on a high level what the different terms and things that people are saying that you may hear on these videos, because they've been doing it for a long time and maybe they're not taking the time to just say, hey, what's a wallet? What is blockchain? What is cryptocurrency? And just kind of giving you a little nudge to explain some things to you. And that's what this is for. It's for my noobs, for the newbies who are new and don't understand it. And then maybe it'll help leverage you and launch you into a whole new career at work once you get a better understanding and start doing more research on it. So before we get started, though, I want you to hit that subscribe button, click the thumbs up, click the alert button so you're notified of future content that's coming. And, again, share this video with anybody that you might find may benefit from this. And then also there's going to be a link to 2 playlists in the description. One's going to be for this video series. The other one's going to be to the playlist that I'm putting together and basically curating from a bunch of different, crypto content creators on YouTube that, go a lot more in depth in terms of what this video is. I'm not looking to become a cryptocurrency channel here. I'm covering it because it's going to impact potentially your job and work, which is what I'm really focusing on. And my brother, Uncle Josh, is going to be covering, family content as well. So anyway, that's kind of where we are. We're on number 17, and what is a wallet? So again, let's simplify all the things that we're talking about here, right? A wallet is exactly what it is. What does a physical wallet looks like? It's a place where you store and keep your money, right? Maybe you keep your driver's license, hopefully not your social security number anymore. And I remember a time when you used to be able to just print your social security number on your driver's license, which is amazing to me right now in the world that we live in. But I'm just going to read through this. But again, as I'm reading through this, just think about the things that I'm saying. Don't overthink them. Take them for what they are when I'm reading them, right? You can make sense of this. You can do it. I want to encourage you to just take it slow. Rewatch the video if you need to and reread this, and then just take it slow. You can get this. You can understand it. And you can translate it and start figuring out how this can benefit you on the job or in your career or at work. All right. What is a wallet? A digital wallet. It's the same thing as a wallet, only it's digital, also known as an e-wallet, refers to an electronic device, online service, or software program that allows one party to make electronic transactions with another party, bartering digital currency units for goods and services. All right. So it's just like you taking cash to the store and you're going to buy, a 6-pack of, pop. You give them money or you give them your debit card. And so that's coming from your digital wallet of your bank and going to the store's digital wallet that they have with their bank, right? It's really in essence the same thing. There's not much difference. Only e-wallets really only manage, instead of, currency, the US dollar, it's managing cryptocurrency, right? The transition from one to the other, you can do this. You can make sense of it. It's pretty straightforward. All right. This can include purchasing items online with a computer or using a smartphone to purchase something at a store. Money can be deposited in the digital wallet prior to any transactions, or in the case of an individual's bank account, can be linked to the digital wallet. Users might also, by the way, before we get into that, I would have a separate bank account tied to your cryptocurrency wallet if you're going to do this and jump into this. And then you can move money from your primary account to your crypto online account, and then use that one to attach to your wallet. Just to kind of, I do that anyway with our savings and our checking account. We have one where we get our direct deposit, and then we have another one where we just move it over. So we, where we're writing all of our checks on, just adds that extra layer of protection. So just a thought for you. All right. Users might also have their driver's license, health card, loyalty cards, and other documents stored within the wallet. And Apple's doing this right now as well, where you can store a lot of information there. The credentials can be passed to merchants terminal wirelessly via near field communication (NFC), which again, you guys know that when you do that tap to pay. Increasingly, digital wallets are being made not just for basic financial transactions, but also to also authenticate the holder's credentials. For example, a digital wallet could verify the age of a buyer to the store while purchasing alcohol. I never get carded anymore, by the way. I almost have to ask some of the kids checking me out if they have ID to even sell it to me. For example, we covered that. The system has already gained popularity in Japan. The US is not a quick adopter. If you go over to Europe and Japan, they are way far ahead of us. China is already, again, far ahead of us as well. Popularity in Japan, where digital wallets are known as wallet mobiles. A cryptocurrency wallet is a digital wallet where private keys are stored for cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP. All right. And again, there are digital wallets that hold single or multiple digital assets like BTC, Bitcoin, XRP, or Ethereum. So typically, each one of those cryptocurrencies can have their own digital wallet that's tied to it. So for instance, if I buy XRP, there's always going to be a deposit of 20 XRP in there for the time being that I can't delete or can't remove. And it's okay because XRP is so cheap right now. But typically, there's also exchange wallets too. It's pretty complex, but just want you to understand that. And then there's also something called a cold wallet, which you really should consider, although there's legislation being proposed right now that they want to crack down on the cold wallets. They want everything to be on an exchange or in a public wallet so they know what you're doing to, reduce nefarious activities like drug dealing, human trafficking, and things like that. But a cold wallet is basically like a thumb drive where you can deposit all of your cryptocurrency in there, and you're given like 20 keys. You can't lose those. Once you lose those keys, buddy, you're out of luck. You got to have those and keep those. So there's a lot of things to consider here, but that's basically in essence what a wallet or an e-wallet or a crypto wallet is. Just think of it in terms of how we normally think of things. There's a reason that these things have names. So again, don't let this stuff confuse you. Do some research, and click on, if you don't know a definition, look it up, start researching this stuff, and then start thinking again how you can leverage this for your current job or at work. And so that's going to wrap up number 17 here. Do me a favor, again, hit that subscribe, hit the thumbs up, and hit the alert button, and share this video with anybody that you might find could benefit from watching this. And we will talk to you on our next video.